4. Managerial skills for effective leadership. Learning objectives. At the end of the session, the should be able to 1. Identify basic leadership and management concepts and principles relevant to occupational health practice. 2. Review characteristics of successful leaders and managers. 3. Explain important managerial skills necessary for successful leadership. Elements of management. Sound organizational structure. Good administration. Asterisk simply a signpost, an indication that a person is occupying an executive role. Asterisk actual definition of duties as determined by title varies greatly across organization and position. Management could be a process, an art, and a science, a class of people, or a resource. Levy and Lumba, 1984. Creates and controls change, and it is a universal activity. The application of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling functions in the most efficient manner possible to accomplish meaningful organizational objectives. John Ivansevic and Thomas Duening. Achieving organizational objectives through people and other resources. David Kurtz. ASCII. Alt. Definition of planning. Deciding in advance what to do, how to do it, when to do it, and who is to do it. Kuntz and O'Donnell, 1980. Process of making decisions in the present to bring out an outcome in the future. Involves determining appropriate goals and means to achieve them, stating assumptions, developing premises, and reviewing alternative courses of action and possible future actions. Series of actions to resolve/meet the problem/needs identified, policy formulation, program planning, budgeting, etc. Organizing consists of grouping people and assigning activities so that job tasks and the mission can be properly carried out. Ivansevic and Duening. Establishing a management hierarchy is the foundation for carrying out the organizing function. Staffing function involves selecting, placing, training, developing, compensating, and evaluating the performance appraisal employees. Staffing involves selecting, placing, training, developing, compensating, and evaluating the performance appraisal employees. Leading influencing people so that they will contribute to group goals. Motivate and lead people who are relevant to the achievement of your objectives. Set directions for your team to perform the intended task. Controlling process of measuring and correcting performance of activities in order to assure that objectives set are attained. It involves a comparison of what is being done with what should be done, based on plans, policies, procedures, standards, budget. Take corrective action, set standards, measure performance, compare performance. ASCII. Alt. Process of evaluating and regulating ongoing activities to ensure that goals are achieved. William Pride. Relates to measurement of achievement. Assessing. A process or series of actions by which one identifies the health needs of employees, health/safety hazards in the work environment, and resources available for meeting the above, policies, manpower, facilities, etc. Evaluating. Process of making judgment about programs/operations. Are objectives attained? Are operations efficient? Medical/health services manager. Individuals who plan, direct, coordinate and supervise delivery of healthcare. Why the need for medical managers? Increasing opportunities for physician as executives have expanded. Hospitals, health systems, drug companies, HMOs, medical product companies, large group practices. Types of physician executive positions. Chief Medical Officer/Medical Director of a health plan. Physician leader for a cancer treatment center. Physician executive for a community hospital. Medical Director for a community health center. Chief Executive Officer/Chief Medical Officer of a large medical group. Medical Director of Clinical Products for a software development company. Senior Vice President of Medical Affairs for an integrated delivery system. Vice President of Medical Affairs for a children's hospital. Medical Executive for a national health maintenance organization. Vice President for Integrated Health Management for a physician hospital organization. Medical Director for Quality Services for an academic medical center. Vice Chair of Operations for a family practice residency at an academic medical center. Chief Officer, Office of Quality and Performance, Department of Veterans Affairs. Why get a physician for executive roles? Critical thinking skills. Thoroughness. Ability to solve complex problems. Strong motivation to be successful. Ability to work well with other physicians. Training of doctors. Training of doctors. The medical training and clinical practice of physicians do not ensure effective management skills. MBA or MMM degrees provide important knowledge of financial functions and management theory. No degree, however, can ensure a physician or anyone else to become a successful executive. Management skills. 1. Technical skills, knowledge, performance, tools. 2. Conceptual skills, ability to see the big picture. 3. Interpersonal skills, ability to communicate with and motivate employees. 4. Decision making. Identify problem or opportunity, rightward arrow, develop alternate solutions, rightward arrow, select an alternative, rightward arrow, implement solution, rightward arrow, evaluate solution. Ask AI. Alt. Management roles. Informational role, interpersonal role, decision roles, Mintzberg's management roles. Ask AI. Alt. Informational roles, spokesperson, monitor, disseminator. Interpersonal roles, liaison, leader, figurehead. Decisional roles, entrepreneur, disturbance handler, resource allocator, negotiator. Ask AI. Alt. Leadership skills. 1. Check your vision. Clear picture of what the team should accomplish. 2. Check your attitude. 3. Check your behavior. 4. Setting goals. 5. Delegation of responsibilities. 6. Create an enjoyable atmosphere. Leadership versus management. Leadership. Management. Purpose. Dealing with change. Dealing with complexity. Focus. Thinking. Change and innovation. Doing the right thing. Doing. Execution and implementation. Doing things right. Main processes/skills. Formulating visions. Aligning people. Motivating and inspiring. Influencing. Planning projects. Organizing people. Monitoring progress and performance. Problem solving. Orientation. Future. Long term. Present. Short term. Daily work. High level. Strategic. Ground level. Tactical. Seeks to achieve. Change. Newness. Effectiveness. Movement. Order. Consistency. Efficiency. Stability. Management process and roles. Create an environment in which quality healthcare can be provided. Integrate the work throughout the establishment to ensure efficiency and effectiveness of all units. Improve business performance.